What's up guys, Nick here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my dividend income for July. Now I earned 13 paychecks and let's get right into it. So on July 1st I received $4.36 from ADP, and I have $1,023.90 for an average share price of 144.16. Next up, on July 7th, I received $21.69 from JEPI, which puts me at $26.05 for the month. And you guys can see I have $3,477.24 for an average share price of $59.18. Now on the 11th of July, I received $21. Oh, actually, on the 8th of July, I received $8.02 from Merck, and I have $991.62 in Merck for an average share price of $73.69 at 11.61 shares, and that puts me at $34.07 for the month. Now, on July 11th, I received $21.19 from Mo Altria Group. That puts me at $55.26 for the month. As you can see, I have $1,062.34 in Altria Group with 23.54 shares at an average share price of $42.17. And one nice thing about Mo is I just received a 4.4% dividend, which should increase my dividend income by 93 cents every quarter. And next up, on July 15th, I earned dividends from BXMT of $27.36, $12.13 from FRT, $6.53 from O Realty, and $5.32 from Stag. And this puts me at $106.60. It's only halfway through the month, so that's always great to see. Now, if we go to Blackstone, I have $1,278.68 for 44.12 shares, an average share price of $24.15. And then for FRT, I have $1,147.82 for 11.33 shares at an average share price of $74.40. And I want to say FRT increased their dividend by 0.6%, which not that great, but they have been growing their dividend income for decades. Next up, we have Realty Income. I have $1,800.76 for 26.37 shares at an average share price of $62.78. And then last up, on July 15th, I have Stag, where I have $1,345.68 for 43.69 shares at an average share price of $31.35. All right, now on July 22nd, I received $10.78 from Nusi, and I had 84.9 shares, and that puts me at $117.38 for the month. On the 26th, I received a $10.35 share or dividend from RYLD and $25.05 from QYLD. And that puts me at $152.78 for the year. And I had 48.84 shares in RYLD and 138.47 shares in QYLD. And then finally, at the end of the month, on July 29th, I received $21.75 from Good and $7.68 from LTC. And that puts me at $182.21 for the month. So overall, it was a great month for dividend income. And looking at Good, I have $3,307.91 for 173.46 shares at an average share price of 18.45. And then I have $1,813.90 in LTC for 40.4 shares at an average share price of $36.23. Now, if we go into my dividend growth chart, you can see July 182.21. My overall dividend income at the end of July was $1,343.32, and average over 12 months so far is $111.94. And then this number here, the 11.95%, represents my dividend income divided by how much money I spent in the month of July. So my dividend income could have paid for almost 12% of my expenses, which is still, anything over 10% is significant. Like, that is a great number to see. And that's why I'm investing in dividend stocks, especially dividend growth stocks, so that that number of dividend income that could pay my expenses rises month over month, year over year, and decade over decade. Then right here, this number, $1.14, that is taking my dividend income and dividing it by 160, and that 160 represents 40 hours a week for 4 weeks in the month. So if my only income was dividend income, I would have received $1.14 for my hourly wage. And so, guys, that is the end of my monthly dividends for the month of July. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next month.